done reporting, but we've got a lot of hot stocks still to come, and 5 of the hottest are coming this week. What are they? Out of 1,400 stocks, it's hard to pick out the truly red hot stocks, but we do it every quarter and we know what names are on everybody's lips, and these are 5 of the hottest. So let's dive right in and check out the charts. The first one out of the gate is Activision Blizzard. Yes, I talk about it every quarter. How can I not? Look at the chart. They haven't missed in 5 years. Impressive. And gaming has been one of the hottest areas during the pandemic. So the shares busting out to yet another set of new highs there in 2021. They pulled back a little bit off the highs here. Could this be a buying opportunity? They're down about 5% in the last month. That's not a lot, but the shares aren't super expensive here, trading around 25 times. That seems positively cheap compared to a lot of other stocks. So this is an interesting one that a lot of people are going to be watching this week, including myself. Then we're going to switch over to Match Group. Of course, online dating. Now, don't be scared by those big drops in the shares. The first one was the coronavirus sell-off there in 2020. The second one was a stock split. So again, don't be scared. But otherwise, they've beaten 2 out of the last 4 quarters. So that's not too bad. And we'll see if these shares can get any kind of momentum here in 2021, because as you can see, they're kind of treading water. But the shares are now trading at 66 times forward earnings. So kind of pricey here to be buying the online dating portals when you don't know for sure what's going to be happening with that part of the economy on the reopen. We will see. Then we're going to switch over to one of the hot pandemic names. Well, first it was a cannabis name, and then it became a stay-at-home hot pandemic name. Scott's Miracle-Gro, ticker SMG. And they've got a good earnings streak going here. They beat 4 out of the last 5 and a big beat last quarter. So these shares trying to get to these new highs, and did here in 2021, up 26% year to date. So that's a nice performance. But what will be the stimulus to keep it going? I know I've been buying some plant food for all my plants, and a lot of people have bought pets and plants during the pandemic. But maybe they'll be switching to the outdoors more like they did last year, and that's maybe continuing to drive the earnings here. But Scott's Miracle-Gro, one of those secret, kind of quiet, big pandemic plays. So a lot of people are going to be watching it this quarter. Then we're going to switch to FinTech. PayPal back on the screen. It only has that one miss right when the pandemic hit there in 2020. Otherwise, it's got a perfect meet or beat track record. So the street has always loved the stock. It did hit that new high in 2021, but it's kind of weakened here a bit. And could this be a buying opportunity? Everybody's waiting for the next catalyst here. It is trading at 57 times. So again, not altogether cheap, but people have been willing to pay for these earnings over the last several years because it's never been real cheap. But we'll see what they say this quarter and if this momentum can hold. Then we're going to switch over to another hot fintech stock, of course, Square. This one too, nobody's really cared how much they had to pay to get these earnings. They have 2 misses. You can see the same one on the coronavirus beginning of the pandemic there. But if you look way back here, back over here in 2016, they have just that one red arrow. It's about to go off the screen, which it may do this quarter if they beat again. They have 3 big beats in a row. That's what those long green arrows indicate. So they've been pretty hot, and the analysts getting it wrong every quarter. Earnings expected to see some nice earnings growth and revenue growth, up another 50% expected here in 2021 and 18% in 2022. So analysts real bullish on the future with Square. Can they execute? We will see. So as you can see, some of these charts are red hot. So there's plenty of interesting things going on with the earnings season still to come. And I'm going to be covering it all here on the Earnings All Stars videos. So be sure to get them all, as I always say every time, at Zacks.com/YouTube. You can also follow me on Twitter, and I'll be tweeting out even more charts than these. You might get sick of them, but they're going to be there. So if you want even more names this week, as we're getting 1,400 companies reporting, be sure to follow me on Twitter, just at my name, at Tracy Reinick, and you'll get them all. But until next time, I'll be seeing you then with some more charts.